Good day, everyone. I'm Shaiki Amor Tampus, a proud student of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. And today, I'd like to talk about something we all use every day, yet sometimes taken for granted. Communication. But this isn't just about chatting with friends or posting online. No, this is about recognizing communication as the powerful tool of our generation. So let's face it. We live in a time where a single message can go viral in seconds, where your voice can reach thousands with just one clicks, and where ideas, good or bad, can influence entire communities. That's the power of communication. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, a furniture leader, simply someone trying to get a job, your ability to express yourself, pursue, connect, and empathize is your real edge. But here's the truth. Communication isn't just about speaking English fluently or having a huge vocabulary. It's about clarity, confidence, and connection. It's how you turn thoughts into action. It's how you inspire people, solve problems, and even prevent misunderstanding that could escalate into bigger conflicts. So, how do we harness this power? First, listen actively. Before you speak, understand. Speak clearly. Say what you mean. Don't overcomplicate. Third is adapt your message. Know your audience. Speak their language, not just your own. Fourth is practice empathy. Great communicators don't just talk, they make people heard. In this digital era, your words can either build or break, uplift or offend. Choose them wisely because when used effectively, communication becomes your bridge to success, to leadership, and to meaningful relationships. So next time you speak, whether it's on stage, in a group chat, or online, remember, you're not just talking, you're shaping ideas, influencing thoughts, and leaving an impact. That's your superpower. Use it well. Thank you.